Hello Year 2 and welcome to your phonics session today. Today we are starting to learn about plurals and this is the first of 2 sessions on this topic. For this lesson you will need something to write with and something to write on, so please make sure that you've got those things now. Super, let's get started then. So we're going to start off just by warming our brains up a little bit, and here I've got a sentence from one of my very favourite stories, Zog. And the sentence reads, Madam Dragon ran a school many moons ago. She taught young dragons all the things that dragons need to know. Now, one of my favourite things about this sentence is that it rhymes. I love that we've got a go and no rhyming in the sentence. But I think if anyone can improve this sentence, it is Year 2. So what I would like for you to do is have a go at just editing and improving the sentence. Have a think about anywhere that you could make this sentence even better. Please pause the video now and try and improve this sentence by writing it again with much better words on your paper. Super, so I'm really excited to see how you guys have done that. Please make sure that you send them in to myself and to Mrs. Johnson and Mrs. Biggs. Okay, so today we are learning about how we can take a noun from its singular form to its plural form. Now, singular means one, means we've got one of something, we've got a single item, okay? Plural means we've got more than one, and plural comes from the French word plurel, okay? So we're going to have a look at that together. So here I've got 1 egg, and over here I've got 3 eggs. So you can see here I've got 1, and over here I've got 3, I've got more than 1. So I'd like you to tell me, how did I change the noun egg into the noun eggs? Super, absolutely. So all I did was I put an S on the end, okay? And that's telling me I've got more than 1 egg. I've got eggs, plural. So let's have a look at some examples of this. So for most nouns, we simply just add S on the end, okay? So ball becomes balls, cat becomes cats, boy becomes boys, and radio becomes radios. So I'm going to show you a sentence where I have used the plural form. So here I've written, the boys were reading. So you can see that there is more than 1 boy in my sentence. You don't know how many at the moment, but you do know that there was more than 1. So what I would like for you to do is have a go using the plural form of the noun in a sentence. Please pause the video and have a go. Super. Again, can't wait to see them. Please make sure that you send them in to us at school. So let's have a look at this example. Here I have got a picture of a box. I might use a box if I'm tidying some things away or if I've got to keep something special safe. But over here I've got 2 boxes. So if I had lots of things to tidy away, I might need 2 boxes. Or if I had lots of things that were special that I needed to keep safe, I might need more than 1 box. So can you tell me then, how did I change the noun box into the plural form of the noun boxes? What did I do? Super job, guys. So I changed it by adding ES on the end. So when I've got a noun that ends in ch, sh, s, either as a single S or as a double S digraph, a x sound or a z, I add ES. Okay, so fox becomes foxes, dish becomes dishes, dress becomes dresses, and volcano becomes volcanoes. So what I would like for you to do, just like we did before, I'd like for you to choose one of the plural forms of the noun and have a go at using it in a sentence. Please pause the video and have a try. Super. Okay, so I've had a go as well. I wrote, I saw 4 volcanoes in my book. So you know that there was more than 1. I've given you the number this time. I've said that there were 4 volcanoes. Okay, so here you can see another example. I've got 1 baby playing with a little yellow blanket. And over here, I can see 2 babies and they've got kind of little bunny ears on. So, can you tell me, how did I change the noun, the singular form, baby, into the plural form, babies. What did I do to the word? Great job. So just like we've done with lots and lots of other words when we've added a suffix onto the end, I have swapped my letter Y for an I, and in this instance, to make it into the plural, I've added ES, okay? So it becomes babies. So for most nouns that end in a Y, we replace the Y with IES to make the plural form. So as we said, baby becomes babies, library becomes libraries, and lady becomes ladies. So again, what I'd like for you to do is have a go at using one of the plural forms of the noun to create a sentence. Please pause the video and have a go. Okay, so I'm sure you've had some brilliant ideas again. I chose to write the sentence, all of the libraries were closed. So you can see that I've chosen the plural form because there's more than one library. All of them were closed. Okay, so let's look at this example then. Here I've got the word loaf to talk about one loaf of bread. But over here you can see I've got 2 loaves of bread. So I've used the word loaves. Just listen really carefully to me say those words. Loaf, loaves, loaf, loaves. So have a look at those words then. What did I do to change from my singular noun, loaf, to my plural noun, loaves? How did I change that? Super. So what I've done is I've taken that F, I've swapped it for a V, and I've added ES, okay, to create loaves. So for most nouns that end in either F or FE, I replace F or FE with VES. Okay, so leaf becomes leaves, knife becomes knives. So as we did before, I'd like for you to have a go at using one of the words here, one of the plural forms of the noun, to show me a sentence with more than one. Okay, so either more than one leaf using leaves or more than one knife using knives. So please pause the video and have a go. Super. Okay, so I went for the sentence, beautiful red leaves fell from the trees. And you can see I used the plural of tree as well when I wrote the word trees. Okay, so as we know in English, the rules don't always work. There are always some exceptions. So here's just a few examples. There are lots and lots of other ones, but here's just a few to look at. Okay, so we've got the singular form over here, and we've got the plural form on this side. So child becomes children, person becomes people, man becomes men, woman becomes women, foot becomes feet, tooth becomes teeth, and mouse becomes mice. So I'd like you to pause again and just choose one of these irregular ones, the kind of ones that are a little bit odd, they don't follow our pattern. Use one of these irregular plural nouns in a sentence. Please pause the video and have a go. Super, so again, there's absolutely loads of sentences that you could have written. 10 mice fell down the stairs, 3 women went out for lunch, all of the children were working very hard on their learning. There's lots and lots of examples, lots of sentences that you could have written. Okay, so here's your first big challenge for the day. I know we've had lots of little ones already throughout the session. Challenge number 1. Here I've got some words, some nouns in their singular form. So just one pencil, one friend, one berry, one hoof, one wish, and one class. I would like for you to have a think about how you could change these words into the plural form so that if there is more than one of them. Okay, so your first challenge is to write each of these nouns in their plural form. Please pause the video now and have a go. Superb. Okay, so let's have a look at how those words should have come out. So we should have the word pencils with an S, friends with an S, berries, we've swapped that Y for an I and added ES. Hooves, we've swapped the F for a V and added ES. Wish, we've added ES to make wishes. And to classes, we've added ES again. Superb, guys. Okay, final phonics challenge of the day. I would like for you to use 3 of the words that we have just had a go at changing from their singular form to their plural form in some sentences. Okay, so I'm looking for 3 super sentences using some of these words that are plurals. Have a go. I hope you have a really great time doing this challenge. Please make sure that you send in your superstar work to us at school. We are always really, really excited to see the things that you get on with. When you send us an email, just let us know the bits that you found easy and the bits that you found tricky, and that will help us to give you support wherever you need it. Okay, so you should now be able to see all of the words up on the screen to help you. Have a super day, Year 2, and I will see you very, very soon. Thanks for your hard work as always. Bye.